I'm Mark Ballister. I live in Southport, North Carolina. When we started the process, I spoke to 4 companies and I got 3 different bids. And they were all drastically different. There was one that wanted to cover the entire roof with cells and cut me off, and I was like, no. Cape Fears was the only one that I think really understood the environment, right? What you're allowed to do, what you're not allowed to do, and how the solution was going to work. When I first met with my sales rep, I had a pretty specific idea about what it was going to look like and where the cells were going to go. Not only did he listen, but then used the drone technology to show me that my answer was not entirely correct. And the one array that isn't where I thought it was going to go, is on the other side of the house, actually generates more power than where I thought it would. So they listened, but they also weren't afraid to tell me, there's a better way to do this, Mark, and here's what we would recommend and why. And it wasn't a no, you're wrong. It was yeah, and here's a bit of a better way to do it. And so far, it has really worked out.